Hi all. So in this video we will discuss about depends on methods in TestNG, right? So basically the depends on methods attribute in TestNG is used to create dependencies between test methods, right? A test method will execute only if the specified dependent method passes successfully, right? If the dependent method fails, right, the dependent test will be skipped automatically. So this is the theory you need to know, right? Okay, we'll see those things in example, right? Okay, so now I just assume that test method 3 is depends on test method 4, right? Okay, so then what I can do is I can just say like uh, depends on methods, right? So I just provide, right, I just provide the method of test method 4, right, the method name of the test method 4, right? Then I can execute the whole class, right? I just give the execution for whole class, right? So we'll see the results, right? We see the results here. Test method for first, right? So we need to make sure that test method 3, that test method 3, and here the test method 4. So test method 4 executed first, or test method 4 should execute before the test method 3, right? Okay, so because of that depends on method, right? Okay, so like think like test yeah, this one is test method for, yeah, 1 2 3, like for first, right? So think like test method 1, right, which is depends on, right, which is depends on uh, couple of test method, like it will depends on test method 3, right? It will depends on test method 3, and also it depends on test method 2 as well, right? 2 as well, right? Okay, then what should be the execution order? Anyway, uh, 3 and 2 means this is the, yeah, this is the 3, right? That means basically before execution of test method 1, that test method 3 and 2 should be executed, right? Then if we care about test method 3, right, because of that dependency test method 4 executed first, right? We'll see the results, right? So once we run this, right, once we run this, uh, it will provide the output like 2431, right? 2431. That means yeah, method 2 executed first. Okay, that's fine, right? Then 2, then 4, right? uh, this one is 4, yeah, 4, and then 3 1, that, then 3, yeah, now depends on only 4 3, and then 1, yeah, 1 is also fine because 3 and 2 are both executed now, right? Both has already executed, right? Okay, so this is called depends on methods, right? You can make test cases uh, like depends on, right? The other thing is I told you that if one test is failed, right, the whole dependency structure should be failed, right? So for example, I will I will fail this, I'm going to make this test fail, right? How can I do that? I can just say hard assertion, right? I can say assert, right, dot assert equals, I will pass the expected result, sorry, actual result as apple, and expected result as orange, right? Then this test will be failed, right? Then we'll see the results, right? Okay, so I'll just run this one, right, and we'll see the output, right? Here it says that only one test is passed because you can see that 2 is passed, right? Test 2, that test 2 means this one, right? this one is passed, it has no any dependencies, right? Test 2 is passed, but test 4 is failed. That test 4 is failed. Here you can see that assertion failure, because of that test 4 is failed. And you can see that 3 and 1 both tests are skipped, right? 3 and 1, because 3 depends on that failure test case, right? So it is skipped, right? And test 1 is depends on test 3, so which is also a skipped test. So skip test is depends on sorry, method 1 is depends on skip test, right? Then it is also skipped, right? Okay. Right, now hope you can understand depends on methods in TestNG.